Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So today's a very special day. This video will be uploaded on my 28th birthday, May 6th, period. Taurus gang. So go ahead and drop happy birthdays down in the comments down below. Wish me all of the birthday wishes, wish me all of the birthday blessings, because your girl needs it, okay? So in today's video, I wanted to do a luxury unboxing of a pair of shoes that I got for myself as a birthday gift. If you guys watched my shopping vlog that I uploaded last month, you guys actually got a little sneak peek. I took you guys along as I purchased these shoes, and I wanted to sit here and tell you guys all about them and show them to you guys in case you guys did miss that video, so y'all can see what I got myself for my birthday, period. So before we get started with today's video, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, wish your girl happy birthday, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your bell notifications, and let's go ahead and get started. So to address today's look, I still have in my distressed faux locks. These are my birthday hairstyle. I put these in for my birthday trip, which I'm on right now. My earrings are coming from Zara. My makeup look, I recorded the whole thing, and you can find it in last Friday's video, my makeup therapy video. It's the same exact makeup look. I actually recorded that right before this. And my top is a little tank top that is coming from Pretty Little Thing that I purchased years ago, so I doubt it's still available. But that's today's look. Now let's go ahead and get into the luxury shoe unboxing. So the pair of shoes that I decided to buy for myself this year for my birthday are coming from the brand Gianvito Rossi. I purchased these because I really wanted them. I've had my eye on them for a while, and I was in Neiman Marcus, as y'all saw in my video, and I was just trying on shoes, and I tried these on, and they were so comfortable, and I'm like, now I see why the girls are so hype over these shoes. I need myself a pair. So let's go ahead and open her up. So this is the box that it comes in. I have my receipt and my sales rep info on here. It comes with one dust bag. I like when shoes come with two because I just like the more, you know, like the more the merrier. I paid a lot of money, so I need two, but it came with one. So these are the shoes that I got. You guys have probably seen these shoes time and time again, but when I tell y'all that these are a mother freaking shoe, these are a mother freaking shoe, okay? Like, look at the material, literally so freaking stunning. So I got these in the silver colorway. They come in so many different colors. They come in pink, they come in yellow, they come in white, so many different colors. But I got the silver because I actually don't have a pair of silver heels in my shoe collection, and you guys know me, I'm trying to, like, you know, build my shoes, set my game up, and I was just like, these are a tea. Like, I really like these, so I went ahead and got them. I cannot wait to wear them. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to wear them like on my birthday, on this birthday trip that I'm on, but you guys are gonna see me wear them real soon. So let me tell you guys a little bit of details about these shoes. So as I mentioned, I purchased these shoes from Neiman Marcus. This style of the shoe is called the metallic Napa ankle cuff stiletto heels, and they do retail for $925. After taxes and everything, I ended up paying $1,002.47 because I did purchase them in Westchester, so the Westchester tax was applied to them. So these shoes have a 4.3-inch heel, so the girls to step in. It has the open toe detail, it has the ankle cuff, it has a back zipper which eases the dress, and it has a leather lining and sole, and these shoes are made in Italy. So these shoes I ended up getting in a size 8. I'm usually a size 38.5, but these are a size 38. They do run a little big, and when I did try them on, I tried on the 38.5 first, and they fit good. But Priscilla, my sales rep, she was like, go ahead and try the 38 for me, because a lot of people usually size down in these. And that was a surprise to me, because I feel like in shoes, specifically like luxury designer foreign shoes, a lot of times it runs true to size, so you actually have to go up in size. So the fact that I had to go down in size in these, I'm just like, But I listened to her. I went ahead and tried the 8 on, and it literally fit perfect. So with the 38, I did find that I did have a little space between the actual back of my heel on my foot and the zip part of the back of the shoe. So at first I was just like, oh, they fit fine, like, you know, my foot fits, my toes are not dragging on the floor, everything is nice and secure and where it needs to be. But then when I tried on the 38, I'm like, wow, this literally fits like a glove. So if you guys are curious about the sizing on these heels, which I know that a lot of times you guys are watching these videos to figure out like what size you need, I would definitely recommend to either get your true size or go down half a size. If you can, I would recommend to go in store and try them on. I know they're sold in Neiman Marcus, they're sold in Bergdorf, and in store that I know of. If you guys know any of the stores that carry them, leave it down below so that the girls and the boys who are interested in getting these can go in store and try them on.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to provide you all with some additional details on these shoes. So first of all, the shoes are absolutely stunning on my feet. I tried them on with outfits and they look so freaking good. The next thing that I wanted to say is that I was nervous that the ankle cuff would like dig into my skin or irritate my ankle, but it's super comfortable. None of that concerns me. Even the fact that I went down half a size, I was just like, the ankle cuff is gonna be choking my ankles. But baby, no, it fits so freaking well. The next thing is the height of the heel. So these heels are a little higher than majority of my heels. So I was kind of nervous too. Like, you choking my ankle and you got me on a cliff. But the height of the shoe is super comfortable, especially since the toe bed is comfortable. My foot doesn't feel squeezed. I do have a wide foot, so I was also nervous about the cuff like across the front of my foot. That allows stretch. So if you're someone who has a wider foot or chunkier toes like your girl, then this shoe, no concerns, okay? Love these shoes, tens across the board. Will highly recommend. If you're thinking about getting these shoes, don't walk, run.
So these shoes I absolutely love. I can see myself wearing them so many different ways, with dresses, with shorts, with jeans, with so many different things. You guys know that if I pay $1,002 for the shoe, I'm wearing it how many times? 1,002 times, period. So I'm in love with them. I love the fact that the shoe has like a built-in cushion on the front toe bed. I don't know how to describe it, but I think that's just a thing that Gianvito does with his shoes, because I also tried on the pink pair that I showed you guys in my shopping vlog, and I feel like it had the same like technology in the toe bed. So if you guys are interested in getting a luxury heel that's not going to hurt you, that's going to be real comfortable, and you're gonna go ahead and get your money's worth because you're gonna wear it the same amount of times as the dollar you paid, then definitely go ahead and try on these heels or pick them up. These heels are, I don't know if they're still going to be on sale by the time this video goes up, but they're currently on sale on My Teresa in the white and the yellow colorway. They're on sale for, I think I saw them for $6.25. So I will go ahead and link that down below. So if you guys want to pick up this style of heel in a different color on sale, then you guys can go ahead and do that. If I didn't pick up this pair, I would have definitely went ahead and picked up one of those pairs on sale. The silver is just such a tea, and I feel like metallic colorways and shoes barely go on sale. So I was like, I'm happy that I got the silver. I'm really happy with my purchase. But if I didn't purchase these, I would have went ahead and got the white or the yellow since they are on sale on My Teresa. But that is basically my review, my unboxing of my birthday shoes, luxury unboxing for my birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below and let me know, do you guys currently own these heels? Are you guys planning on adding them to your shoe collection? Do you like these shoes? Comment down below and let me know. Also, do not forget to wish your girl a happy birthday down below in the comments. I am 28 years young today. I know y'all are probably looking at me like, 28, you look 18. Thank you, I know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm trying to stay consistent with my uploads while I am on vacation, so you guys can expect way more content from me during the month of May while I'm away. I got the girls, I got the boys. I have content coming for you guys, okay? So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your bell notifications, and don't forget to drop a comment down below. I love you guys so much. I am so happy that I am blessed enough to make it to the year of 28. A lot of people don't end up seeing 28, and I'm happy that God has blessed me to come this way. Every day is a blessing, every year is a blessing. I'm super happy to have you guys as a part of my support system. I'm super happy to have friends that I met and established from my online presence. So I'm forever thankful for you guys. I know that you guys love me. I know that you guys support me. I'm so happy to have you guys in my corner, and I cannot wait to crush the year of 28 with you guys and show you guys everything that I have in store, because when I tell you guys that it is feeling like me season, and it's actually going to be me season.
Wow. I don't know what to say. It's feeling like me season right now. I feel so bad for anybody who doesn't fuck with me. Mute me, block me, whatever you need to do, because it's a me season right now. It's my time.
It is me season, so you guys will see what I have in store. Love you guys so much, and until my next upload, I'll see you guys later.